In this video, we will talk about 10 vegetable gardening hacks, more food for less effort. Before we start, if you like gardening, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. We post gardening tips and hacks every other day. Knowledge is the key to your gardening success. The gardening and landscaping tips in this set will teach you how to build the beautiful garden and backyard you've always wanted. Vegetable gardening at home is a simple way to save money for those new to gardening, or at least new to food gardening. Here's a list of the 10 vegetable gardening hack more food for less effort. Number 10. Greenhouse from the salad bar. Save the plastic clamshell jar the next time you go to a salad bar for lunch. It can be used as a mini greenhouse in the spring to start seeds. After you've finished eating, thoroughly clean the container. Punch a few small holes in the top of the container with an awl and hammer to allow airflow. Fill the bottom half of the container with potting soil or your own custom seed starting soil. Plant your seeds in the pot, spreading them out as directed on the seed packet. Close the lid after giving the seeds a small drink of water. Place the jar in a bright area and wait for your seeds to sprout. The clear plastic container functions as a greenhouse, allowing sunlight and warmth to enter the plants while keeping moisture in. Number 9. Eggshell seedling planter. Here's another great, even more, compact and lightweight seedling pot that will help you get the most out of your seeds. Simply empty several eggs and use the eggshells as pots. While the citrus peel helps regulate the acidity levels in the soil in the citrus pots, the eggshell seedling pots will enrich the soil with high-quality calcium, magnesium, and other nutrients seedlings need to survive and develop. The more stable your seedling's root system is, the more likely it is to withstand transport to the garden. This is the true life test that many gardeners fear. Number 8. Epsom salt fertilizer trick. Epsom salt, hydrated magnesium sulfate, is well known for its healing properties, but the garden may be where it shines the brightest. Epsom salt, like store-bought fertilizers, contains magnesium, which aids in seed germination, chlorophyll processing, and nitrogen and phosphorus absorption. Most plants benefit from a monthly ratio of 2 teaspoons to 1 gallon of water. You can also make a foliar spray by diluting Epsom salt with water in a container. The plant's growth is greatly helped by misting it. This is particularly effective on vegetables and roses. Number 7. New use for old backyard game pieces. In case you unintentionally drag the hose through your greenhouse, destroying a bunch of flowers. A solution is to use the wickets from croquet to create a route for the hose. Feed the hose through the wickets while watering to keep the flowers protected. Number 6. Chimney flue planters. Purchase 3-foot lengths of clay chimney flue liner from a brick supplier to make these terracotta planters. Using a circular saw with an abrasive cutting wheel, cut them to various heights. You can use them to decorate a deck or patio or to accent your yard in whatever way you want. Just choose your spots and bury the ends a little in the dirt. Fill the liners halfway with gravel for drainage, leaving 8 inches for potting soil at the end. The liners will not break if they freeze, so they will drain. Alternatively, simply place pots on top of the gravel and carry the plants indoors for the winter. Number 5. Tool bucket. A 5-gallon bucket comes in handy in the greenhouse for more than just weeding. You can fill it with all of your gardening tools and quickly move them from one location to another. Cover the tools with the lid if it begins to rain. But here's the best part. When you need to rest or prune, it serves as a portable stool. The only issue is that prying the lid off can be difficult. It'll be easy to put on and take off the cover. Number 4. Invest in a heavy-duty tarp. Nothing beats a sturdy tarp when it comes to landscaping projects. It's perfect for shifting leaves, weeds, dirt, and small rocks across the yard easily and safely. It can also be used to move plants or landscaping materials on a truck bed or shield projects from a severe storm. Only don't leave a tarp out on the lawn for too long, or your grass will die. Number 3. Garden tool hideaway. Tools can be conveniently stored in a mailbox concealed behind shrubs near your yard. DIYers have a propensity to collect a wide variety of tools for different projects. However, the trick to remaining productive is to make sure you have the right resources on hand at all times. Almost any household object can be stored in a tool apron. Simply sew some pocket widths into the aprons. Number 2. Citrus starter pots. As you might know, Every gardener should have many starter pots where he can plant his seedlings, and watch them grow. Not only are starter pots great for helping new plants and flowers establish the root system they'll need later on, but they can also serve as a temporary home for plants during the winter, particularly those that are sensitive to cold. With that in mind, all you'll need for this awesome citrus peel starter pot is a large lemon that will be cut out. All you have to do is turn the lemon into a small pot for your seeds, and then allow the lemon peel to provide the ideal acidic environment for the seedling to grow. Number 1. Use mineral oil and a pot of sand for your tools. This hack keeps your resources clean and ready at all times. Fill a small pot or bucket halfway with clean sand. Stick a couple of your most used landscaping tools into the sand. They'll stay upright and easy to catch this way. When you're done for the day, give your tools a fast coat of mineral oil and re-establish them in the sand. The combination of mineral oil and sand will help clean your tools over time and prevent them from being rusty. If you are looking to start your garden, check out the links in the description for our recommended books and audiobooks. Don't forget to download the free ebook too. What do you think of our list? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.